All right, so market showing a little bit of weakness coming into today. Looking to play this Amazon short possibly below this 167. What is this? This 167 area. I really want to see us break and hold due to the fact that we have had a very strong area of support on this Amazon chart right here at this 168. Now that we're starting to get the break under that coming into today, I want to see if we could take out the low of day from Friday. To see if we get the break and hold under this. If we can get the break and hold under this, it could result in a very nice aggressive move to the downside. And that's definitely something I want to be a part of. I'm probably about to open a nice little small position on it right now. The contract's about $100. So I'll play a little bit right here. I'm in lightly. You can see my P&L on the right hand side of the screen. And now that we got the break under this, nice strong break, I want to see if we can get the hold. I want to see if price can hold. Price really has to maintain below this low. Again, you can see my P&L on the right. I really don't want to see price push back above this level right here. These pre-market lows from this morning. I'm gonna go ahead and move this level up a little bit. Really want to just see price melt and give that up. And if we start getting retest rejections of this general area, I'll definitely look to play, add in a little bit more. It really depends on what we do right here though. Scaled in a little bit more, see if we can catch that continuation move to the downside. Now that we're getting that break and holding those pre-market lows, currently in 20 contracts. Price targets for me currently might be, let me see, again, you can see that P&L on the right hand side of the screen. Price targets for me currently might be as low down here at 165. Might try to hold into this. Look like the market trying to get weak. We're giving it up a little bit, so I really want to see us get that move down into this 165 area. Currently up 300. I'll definitely start scaling out as we get this move down though, because you definitely want to capture those aggressive moves on options. So scaling out as we get this continuation move to the downside. Again, just making my trims. I do like the fact that we did get the break and hold under this 168 area. Previous strong buyers were sitting right there, so I would like to see, at least at the moment, I really want to see price hold below this low of day from Friday. Wouldn't be surprised if we maybe get another bounce into this, maybe get a rejection of this general area up here around this 167.50. But I really want to see price hold below this and get that continuation move down to the 165. The market did melt, so the overall market is weak. So I do want to capitalize on that move down. I do want to try to scale out as we get that move into 165 because I don't want to get caught or position myself to be in a bounce. So just looking to capture like a nice quick move to the downside. Don't really like the stall out that we're getting right here. It may try to push back up into this 168 before we get that rejection, but I really want to try to lock in some profits as we get this move down. Still in 50%, almost 50% of my position. So again, my price target right now is this 165. I just want to capture this move down. The market itself is weak, so I do want to be a part of this move down because we are holding below Friday's low. I can't expect price to move down into this area. I do like the fact that we are holding below this low of day from Friday. I just need some continuation. I wouldn't be surprised if we get maybe like move back up into it, rejection, try to continue down a little bit more. So that's what basically what I'm looking for right now. It's a little bit of a longer trade, longer than I would like. I'm still in 50% of my position, as you can see right here, holding 11. Um, just looking to see if we get that continuation move out. Ideally, would have liked to see a bigger drop on this, due to the fact that QQQ had such an aggressive drop. So that's kind of what I was expecting on this Amazon play. But I do like the fact that we currently are getting the 9 EMA curling down. We have somewhat of a decent support right here that's forming. Decent support around this 166.70 area. So would like to see this break, and then once we get this break of this support, it will most likely get that move down into this 165. Have to sit through this a little bit longer than I would like though. So now we just chilling down here at the support. I'm definitely start scaling out some as we get this push lower. I like the fact that we got the rejections off of that 9. I'm down to like 5 contracts currently. I'll probably hold some run. Actually, I'll probably hold these as my runners. I really want this 165 to hit. Um, Currently up 300. It's a smooth 3. Ideally, would have been a quicker 3. I would probably start trimming some a little bit right here. Probably trim a little bit more just because I don't want to be in too heavy. I want to start looking for other trades as well. Definitely get my trims off. Now we getting this push. There we go. Again, ideally this would have been a quicker move, just so I could have been hopping in and out of some other trades as well. But smooth 3. The trade followed the plan for the most part. So I'm down to 3 contracts. Started out with 20. Just capitalize. Ideally, I wanted to scale in a little bit more right there. Wanted to scale in a little bit more right here because I knew that level was going to hit. I knew it was going to be money, but I think I'm probably hold these 3 as my. I want to trim one more just because I don't like how we acting right here. Yeah, I don't like how we acting right here. Let me see. And then I'll probably have my stop loss set on these last 2. down to two contracts, so I'll probably set my stop right here at break even and let them ride. It might stop me out because I low-key feel like price is going to try to reverse back up to the upside a little bit. So I'm gonna actually scale out one more, and I'll just let this last contract run if I can get out of this last one. I don't like how the overall market looking right here. And then I'm gonna set my stop loss for this break even on this last contract. I let it work for me. But yeah, that was a trade for today. It was smooth. Down to one contract, quick 300. I guess you call it quick. But the overall market did what I expected it to do today. So I'm gonna hold this last contract. If my price target hit, cool. If not, I'll come back and update y'all.